So I've got this old car, a hot rod, a serious piece of iron, a dual exhaust rumbler, a tire smoking, gear shifting, full bore screaming hunk of Detroit vintage technology. It's feeding my heart like a mainline shot of adrenaline every time I step on the gas.
Alright guys, I'm ready to work on this door. Sorry for all the bouncing around from the engine and to different things, but I guess I'm kind of like Nickel-Nosed Restos. He kind of bounces around different projects and stuff, but I'm ready to dig into this. I'm gonna drill the spot welds here so I can put new metal on the inside part. And I'm just gonna fabricate all this because it's pretty simple pieces. But on the driver's side door, I'm gonna buy the patches for that one. But got some rust here, some along the bottom, some there, but it's pretty good all the way. The only spot that came through was right about there. Alright guys, after some grinding, I found out where all the bad spots are, and I found out that this is stupid strap in the way. Okay, I found out that this is all good right here. It's actually all good along here, so I don't need to do anything here. All the way to this hole right here, I gotta do something about that. And then on this side, I need to work on that. So I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, the floor looks pretty good, I think. And I cut out all the rust. That corner, this corner, that corner. And now I'm ready to start making patches. Alright guys, I made this little piece here. And now I gotta weld it on. I think that looks pretty cool. Got that all tacked in. Just a couple tacks because I'm running real low on wire. So just seeing what I can do. And then I'm gonna have to go get some more. But I just did a couple tacks and to hold it up for now, and then I'm gonna have to weld on this little lip that goes over. I'm gonna have to weld onto here, around, and then bend it over. Alright guys, it's really weird out. It's thunder. There's thunder, but there's no rain. And it's really dark over there. I'm working on this. Right here. I kind of mocked up the little lips that go over. I drilled my holes for the spot welds, and it's coming along pretty good. Get right to this here. I got some more wire here. I got this all tacked in, this piece here. I got it tacked in there too, along the bottom where it meets the door skin, and it should look pretty good. That's tacked up, and in the next video it should be I should be getting one going with that, so keep you guys updated. Alright guys, I got the this piece welded in here, and the bottom section almost done. I think it looks pretty good.